Dear ladies and gentlemen, Ayubowan, may you live long. Great to see all of you at the Village China conference in Tangshan. This is my first international conference since assuming duties as the Global Village Chairperson in July this year. I am delighted to lead you and grateful to Village China for giving me this opportunity to address you. Impact due to COVID pandemic has been unprecedented. Across the globe, our lives and livelihoods have been affected. Supply chains have got disrupted, and air travel has almost come to a grinding halt. However, COVID-19 has made us rethink the way we do things, and we are engaging more frequently than ever before through virtual means. Let's hope that we could come out of this pandemic soon and meet each other in the near future. Since July, I have been speaking to the country chairpersons to understand the challenges they face and to strengthen Vilat in the countries. In many countries, Vilat is confined to a particular area, and we should actively move beyond these areas to attract more members. CILT is a diverse professional body, catering to members from aviation, maritime, land transport, supply chain and logistics, among users and providers. We need to develop a diverse membership base from different sectors. We must attract members from public and private organizations, academia, and military too. We also must tap into young female members from universities to join our fold. This will help Vilat to build a pipeline of young talent for our future. During my tenure, I aim to position Vilat globally in all sectors and regions. We are currently present in 22 countries. Last month, Bangladesh joined our global Vilat family. Out of the 36 countries CILT is currently present, Vilat is not present in 14 countries. My priority, therefore, is to first focus on these countries to set up Vilats. We need to grow, reach, and expand our footprint in the countries that we are not yet present with CILT, and identify influential ladies from the industry to lead Vilat there. Both these will enable us to increase our membership. I hope in the next 3 years of my tenure, we would be able to induct at least 10 new Vilats to our global family. I also intend to develop global partnerships. This is a journey the new era demands, as strong partnerships with empathy are needed to meet the challenges that lie ahead, to create value with meaning as an inclusive forum within CILT. Vilat is a great platform to enrich knowledge and to develop strong partnerships with our global network, with the CILT family. We will continue to drive our strategic thrust, the leadership, mentorship, entrepreneurship, and empowerment with vigor, while supporting the community through CSR work. Within these areas, we will work to bring change to our industry and the wider economy. We are well aware of our role in society and our responsibilities, not just to women, but also to the planet and to future generations. We need to be at the forefront of this change towards a greener, more equal, and more socially responsible supply chain, logistics, and transport industry. I believe that gender should not define what you want to do in life and should not limit one's aspiration. Together, we must craft and execute innovative strategies to promote the value of diversity in the industry. We must make this a decade of change, and as we move forward, we must ensure no one is left behind. Digitalization is a great equalizer for women, and let us pursue this emerging trend with vigor to achieve our goal of inclusive development. Let me congratulate Vilat China for the progress you have made thus far. I look forward to your continuous engagement and support in the journey ahead. Let us all join hands with a purpose and passion to drive progress with Vilat. Stay safe and well, and thank you.